We have breaking news from the United Arab Emirates, which will start producing Sinopharm vaccines next month. The announcement comes as Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi met with his UAE counterpart Abdullah bin Zayed in Abu Dhabi. Wang Yi said that China and Arab countries carried out the world's first Phase 3 international clinical trial of the COVID-19 vaccine. Abdullah bin Zayed said China has made remarkable achievements in defeating the epidemic, and the two sides agreed to strengthen cooperation in energy, high-tech, financial investment, counter-terrorism and de-radicalization. Abdullah said his country appreciates China's participation in the upcoming Dubai World Expo and supports China's hosting of the Beijing Winter Olympics. Our correspondent Jacob Greaves has more details from Dubai.
Well, I think we've seen today one aspect in particular. Of course, there is the oil and gas relationships, the energy relationships, and artificial intelligence. The UAE, as I said, is looking to diversify its economy and is turning increasingly to Beijing in some of those expertise and investment areas. But we have seen one area again today, which you mentioned earlier, which is production of Sinopharm vaccines in the UAE. Now, Wang Yi met with officials from G42 Healthcare. That's the company responsible for trialling the Sinopharm vaccine in the UAE last year. The UAE was, of course, the first country outside China to roll out the vaccine. Now, at this meeting, they opened a vaccine production center in the UAE to package active vaccine ingredients. Now, that's significant, as until now, the UAE has imported its vaccines, and this facility looks like it amounts to the first domestically produced vaccines in the UAE. We're still awaiting official confirmation of details about what exactly and how much they will be producing from this facility.